Hey guys, what's up? So here it is. After months of leaks and speculation, we finally have the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, which has been announced with Samsung in the Unpacked event. In this video, let's take a look at some of the most interesting features of the new phablet. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x QHD Plus display with a variable refresh rate of up to 120Hz. What this means is that the phone is capable of altering the refresh rate anywhere between 1 to 120Hz depending upon the content on the screen. The phone also has the latest Gorilla Glass 7 aka Gorilla Glass Victus, which can survive drops of up to 2 meters and has 2 times better scratch resistance compared to Gorilla Glass 6, which should make the phone more durable. The Note 20 Ultra has a camera system that's very similar to the S20 Ultra on paper. We have the same 108MP bright HM1 sensor as the primary camera, in addition to a 12MP ultra-wide and the differentiating 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The focus issue faced with the S20 Ultra has also been fixed with the help of a laser autofocus system. The phone is also capable of recording 8K video in the same 24fps and has a new 21:9 aspect ratio video recording mode that should help budding filmmakers. Samsung has removed the gimmicky 100x space zoom from the Note 20 Ultra, and we have a modest 50x zoom on the phone that helps it capture some great shots. The S Pen is what separates the Note from every other smartphone, and Samsung has really improved the experience of using an S Pen on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The major improvement comes in the form of a decrease in the latency of the pen to 9 milliseconds compared to the Note 10 Plus, which had a latency of 42 milliseconds. This should make taking notes on the S Pen feel a lot like writing on real paper. You can even sync your S Notes across devices using OneNote and some Microsoft services. You may also use the apps on your phone on a Windows 10 PC with the help of Microsoft's Your Phone app. You may even pin these apps to the taskbar on your PC. This feature will make its way to a bunch of Galaxy devices and isn't exclusive to the Note 20 Ultra. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the first handset with which you can play Xbox games on your TV using the xCloud. The phone offers the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which allows you to stream over 100 Xbox gaming titles on your phone or TV. This will be available from the 15th of September, and you can avail the game bundle if you pre-order the phone, which will give you 3 months of complimentary service along with the controller. With DeX, you can connect your smartphone to a monitor and use it as a PC. This required a separate accessory to work on the Note 10, and not a lot of people were using it due to that. Hence, Samsung has decided to get rid of it, and you can now use DeX wirelessly by connecting it to a TV or monitor. You can use a phone as a pointer in the DeX mode to control your TV or monitor. This comes in really handy when you want to share something with your friends or family on a bigger screen but still want to use your phone. The Note 20 Ultra will be the first handset to have Nearby Share, which allows for quick file transfer between Android devices running Android 6 and later. The phone also has a UWB chip that aids Nearby Share in the sharing process, and you can just point your phone towards another UWB enabled phone and it will automatically detect the device and guess that you want to share a file with that phone. The phone also has SmartThings that lets you find other UWB devices nearby with their precise location. With UWB, the phone can also be used as a digital key for your car, home, etc. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has the latest UFS 3.1 storage that's said to be almost 3 times faster than the UFS 3.0 storage used on the S20 series, while being more efficient in terms of power consumption. The faster storage should not only speed up the day-to-day tasks but also load heavier games and apps faster. And we come to the last but probably the most wanted feature of the Note 20 Ultra. Samsung is finally committed to 3 years of OS updates for the smartphones launching since the Galaxy S10. We have been demanding Samsung to provide 3 OS updates as the prices of these handsets has been constantly on the rise, and 2 years of software support just doesn't cut it anymore, especially considering the iPhones get around 4 to 5 years of OS updates. This applies to devices in the S series, the Z series as well as the Note series. However, the A series of phones has been skipped from this, so it's probably reserved for the flagship smartphones. We also have a bonus feature for the Note 20 series. The phones will come in some nice color options such as Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, Mystic White, Mystic Green and Mystic Grey. This becomes all the more important after the S20 series, which had some blunt colors. That's it for this video. Do let me know which is your favorite feature about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Also smash the like button if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.